Alana, a very warm welcome indeed.
And though he is Dumbarton's cat, 95. Is it coming on? From the kitchen, hold myself a cup of ambition and a yawn inspection, try to come alive. Jump in the shower and the bus starts pumping, out on the street the traffic starts jumping, and the folks out me in the job from 9 to 5. Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living, barely getting by. It's so taking and no giving, they just use your mind. They never give you credit, it's enough to drive you crazy if you let 9 to 5 for service and devotion. You would think that I deserve a better promotion. Want to move up there, but the boss won't seem to let me. I swear sometimes that bad is out to get me. Shadow looks a step on the postman's ladder, but you got a dream he'll never take away. On the same road as a lot of your friends, waiting for the day your ship are coming, and the time's gonna come and so gonna roll you away. Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living, barely getting by. It's so taking and no giving, they just use your mind, they never give you credit. It's enough to drive you crazy if you let 9 to 5. They got you where they want you. There's a better life, and you think that I won't daunt you. It's a rich man's game, no matter what they call it, and you spend your life putting money in your wallet. 9 to 5. It's a better life. You think that I won't daunt you? It's a rich man's game, no matter what they call it, and you spend your life putting money in his wallet. 9 to 5, they got you where they want you.
Thank you very much indeed. I certainly enjoyed that. Now we have another, I have plenty of mics anyhow, I don't know what I'm carrying so many of them about for. You know, these boys here in the back's keeping me going a bit tonight. But I'll not let them put me off anyhow. But we certainly enjoyed that. I did anyhow, and I think you did too. We have a group here from County Antrim, the Cullavackie Drum Corps. Now I want you to give them a very warm welcome indeed as they come on, and I hope they come very shortly here, for I'm running out of words to say. Are they tuned up there yet? Do they know that they're on at all? They're coming now. They're shouting at them here. They're having a wee bit of a go at them. It'll do them no harm. Please welcome the drum corps of Cullavackie. They're gathering up now. That's County Antrim all over again. They're lit for everything. You couldn't get a penny out of them either. They're not like the County Londonderry people. They're very liberal.